Alright.
Alright, is it recording?
Yeah, it's recorded. It's take 2.
Take 3. Alright guys, so the first thing I wanted to do for the gender reveal did not turn out the way I wanted to. I'm kind of disappointed because I don't like pink and blue. But, what are you doing? But, here we go. You ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. You didn't even
That shit was loud. We having a girl.
You didn't even let me pop it.
You didn't pop it?
No. You was like 1, 2, 3. Like, you supposed to say 3 and then go. You was like 1, 2, 3. It's a girl.
Oh shit.
I knew it was a girl. Now you got to clean all this stuff up before honey come in here.
Nope.
She told me. You excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited. Honey,
You're not supposed to have sharp
look at
objects.
honey. Look at honey. She mad.
He or she take 1. I don't think I can hit that shit, y'all. We about to find out.
What'd you say?
I don't think I can hit that. We about to find out.
Boom. You recording?
Yeah, it's recorded. I don't think I can hit
All right. I'm not ready. You know, you no intro.
it. Nah, you know, intro. Give me intro.
All right, guys. So we're about to find out what little baby crew is. Green is for a boy. Yellow is for a girl. Because y'all know I'm different and dramatic. So, let's go. Can you hit it?
Yeah,
Want me to close it out?
sure.
Yeah. Let's see if you're having a sissy or a brother. Okay, go. Toni.
I hit it.
Not hard enough. Toni.
Stop.
Get closer.
Get closer.
Cause you suck. Why you throwing it so soft?
I threw it out. Oh.
Oh, well, it's coming out.
It's coming out. It's peeing. It's a boy.
Okay. Take 2. He did it wrong.
Well, we didn't ruin the camera.